ladies and gentlemen. And Josh, I don't like that. The song was great, but as a brown-eyed man, I just feel a little attacked.
Come on. We love the brown eyes, the blue eyes. Can we move on, please?
Well, we must admit that some eyes are better than others.
Boo.
And he's humble.
Josh, I agree with you.
Thank you.
Some eyes are better.
I agree with Lizzie. Let's move on.